This is our model number 312. This particular board has got a lot of features, but currently what we are trying to show is 3 sensor arrangement. We have input for this section where we have temperature, voltage and current, which is converted to appropriate voltage by certain potential divider arrangement here, and finally fed to one ADC here, and this ADC handles all those information. It is processed again by the program executed on the microcontroller, and finally it is transmitted by a 2.4 GHz transmitting module to a distance location. It also has a provision for computer interface, but that is a different project. And so this transmitting data is received at the receiver end to display the condition, and in the event of any adverse situation, the relay is operated for. The project also has a receiving unit. So this is the transmitting unit that we had seen, and the project also has a receiving unit. The receiving unit has a number of relays interface to a microcontroller and the again 2.4 GHz receiver unit. The LCD display here is provided that would provide the readings as far as the parameter of this particular data is sent from here to there. Now what we see is the system is waiting for the data. It comes in periodical intervals, and once the data starts coming, it will have all the 3 data, that is voltage, current and temperature, indicated exactly being transmitted from the. So now here the temperature what we find is 27 degrees, the voltage 220 volts and the current is about 4 amperes. They're all being transmitted from the transmitting unit and received at the receiver unit, and it again waits for the data for that particular time interval. Now in the event of little extra voltage, the data is transmitted, and in the process what we find, there is one relay which is switched on, and that is what is this particular relay is switched on. As the voltage is 270 volts, one particular relay is switched on, and any load which can be connected across this for getting any indication which is required. Similarly it happens for current, temperature, and even for the current or temperature increase, the same indication would come depending on the increase of current or increase of temperature.